how to ace LinkedIn messaging so that you can get clients on LinkedIn. Messaging is one of my favorite tools within the LinkedIn platform, and it's also one of the tools that some people wish didn't exist. Why? Well, I'll tell you about that in just a moment, because today we're going to be talking about how you can use messaging to get more clients from LinkedIn. It's actually a whole lot simpler than you think. And when you try to make it complicated, that's where things start to go in really weird directions. For those of you who don't know me, it's Chris Prouty. For the last 22 years, I have had thousands of paying clients who I have helped attract more business to their business so that they can do something that they love and get paid beautifully for it. But I do it in a way like you might not think. We're talking about LinkedIn messaging today. What's the thing you hate the most about LinkedIn messaging? Let me guess. You hate it when you connect with someone and they immediately slam you with a sales pitch. Oh my gosh, it's the worst. I really detest when that happens. And you would think that it would be commonly known that no one likes that, yet people still do it. So my very first tip for you is, if you're going to use LinkedIn messaging to get clients, don't slam people with a sales pitch. Actually, I'm going to take that a step further. Never present a sales pitch in LinkedIn messaging. If somebody's interested in what you do, get them on the call and present the sales pitch there. Keep LinkedIn messaging to conversations. And that brings me to the second tip that I would like to give you. If you're going to use LinkedIn messaging to message with your prospects, be conversational. Go to their profiles. Find something that inspires you about them and what they do, and cite it in your messaging. Make it all about them. Offer them a tip or some guidance or something that you might notice. But don't do it in a way that seems like sales. Do it like you're trying to help. Be generous in the information that you give. The third tip I'd like to give you is to ease up on the communications. Don't slam people with message after message after message after message. Nobody has time for that. Give them meaningful communication that makes them glad they checked their messenger. But don't slam them every 10 minutes with a new message. Nobody wants that. Your friends don't even want that. Your prospects certainly don't want it. And then another tip that I will give you about using LinkedIn Messenger is to use it like it is intended to be used, which is to create connection with professionals on a professional network. Don't be creepy. Don't be skeevy. Don't be sending weird messages to people. I know most of the people that consume this, you're not weird or skeevy. But for the occasional weirdo that shows up, just, hey, try not to be weird. Try to keep it professional. Imagine that whatever you were typing to someone, they were going to take and share with 1,000 people. Would you want that message shared with 1,000 people? Probably not, if it's some kind of a weird message. So there's your litmus test, your barometer, thermometer, that's going to help you determine if your message is appropriate or not. Just remember, whatever you send them, imagine they're sharing it with 1,000 people that know you. Would you want that? If you wouldn't, don't send that message. Keep it professional, keep it friendly, and that's how you're going to use Messenger, and people are going to look forward to getting messages from you. You have my word on that. And if you want to learn even more about how to use LinkedIn to get clients and how to use Messenger, just go here to proutyclass.com. I made this really cool workshop. Just go to that page and it starts playing right away, and you'll be able to learn a bunch through case studies, through examples, and through step-by-step training that I put into that workshop. I think you're really going to get a lot out of it, especially if you apply what you learn. So proutyclass.com will get you there, and you can go there right now to do that. Because while everything that I just taught you is incredibly important, it might not be the only thing you need right now, so that workshop's going to help you. This video right here is going to help you, and if you click on my face, you can subscribe to my channel to get alerts every time I create new content like this.